And we finally got some snow.
Yep. You gonna go down the hill?
Look car going, boy. Look car.
Oh,
Look, that's what I just said. You got it?
yeah.
You got it?
I
just
do.
Said it.
I got it.
Don't hit the wall. Get your shit.
Hey, babe.
What's up, love?
Your teeth are as white as the snow.
Yeah. That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed.
Turn the music down.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
We are in Herman Park, and the kids are having snow day here, and the parents.
Snow day.
Hey, babe.
What's up, love?
Whew. Your teeth are as white as the snow. Look at the dogs. Hey, look, they're on the canoe, the inflatable canoe. On the inflatable canoe right now.
Oh, no shit. That's very cool.
Hey, look at that dog way down there. It's just meeting up there.
You remember what's the date? What's today?
Today is the
21st.
21st.
21st. January
It's January
21st.
2025. And it's snowing in Houston. Snow day.
Yeah, it's breezy too.
Yes, my face is frozen.
Yeah, my nose.
We don't ever get snow here in Houston.
Yeah, and I'm gonna tell you what, anytime I go see cold, definitely need gloves.
Yeah, my hands are, and I left my gloves. We rarely get any kind of snow, only once in a while. And we finally got some snow.
And we finally got some snow.
Yep. You gonna go down the hill? You go in your jacket?
Nah, cause I got a hole in my pants.
It'll be captured with snow.
Oh, they finna try to slide on the table? I really think they're gonna try to slide on the table. That's H-Town style. You seen the You seen the picnic table? You think they finna slide on it?
Where?
Right there. See the green jacket? I think he's finna go down on it. My bad, brother.
That's how you gotta do. You gotta run into it. How you get that
Nah. Oh yeah, yeah. Alright, I turn it off like that.
Nod my head, don't close my eyes. Halfway on a slow move. It's the same way you showed me. If you could fly, then you'd feel south. Up north's getting cold soon. The way it is, we're on land. So I'm someone to hold true. Keep you cool when it's still alive. Won't let you down when it's all ruined. Just the same way you showed me. Showed me. You showed me love.
Look how it's going, boy. Look how it's
Oh,
Look, that's what I just said. You got it?
yeah.
You got it?
I
just
do.
said it.
I
That
got
little
it.
cross, don't hit the wall. Get your shit. Man, bless y'all soul. Boy, you stupid, though. You got it, bro. You got it.
Whoa. Oh,
Yeah, I got the surprise. You got it. Look at this car. They couldn't get up there. Look, you got it.
Oh, shoot. Everybody's dog is like, what is going on here?
Man, look at that big old house.
But look at the bicycle rider.
Oh, slip. Don't go.
That is our bayou. I don't even know if it's frozen or if it's moving with water. Guess we'll have to see. It is with water and it's movement.
The dirty brown.
The dirty brown bayou of Houston. We're at Memorial Allen Parkway. Kirby, yep.
Kirby, Allen Parkway, Cheryl.
So we're doing a tour, checking out some properties, making
Yes.
sure everything is okay, and also getting a little sightseeing while we're doing it.
Look at sightseeing. Man, this is like off-road right here. Now look, I got the sledge right there.
Mm-hmm.
Go.
David, pick up the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball.
Let's get the, come on.